Hello, and welcome back to Engineering Help 101. Today we're going to go over some simple matrix operations. So yeah, as you can see here, we have three matrices already set up. Pretty self-explanatory. A and B, 3x3s, and C is a 2x2. So first we're going to go over addition. And with all of these right here, the matrix dimensions must agree. It's very important that they agree. Otherwise, none of these will work. So we'll show you right now. A plus B. This should do element-wise matrix addition. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. There we go. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So it works. And just to show you that it doesn't work with a different size of matrix, right there you get an error message. A matrix dimensions must agree. So I'll get rid of that. Then we'll show you some subtraction. A minus C. Oops. Or A minus B, excuse me. And boom, right there. 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 2. 2 minus 4 is equal to negative 2. So it's working. Now, for multiplication, there's two things you can do here. Same with division. You can do actual matrix multiplication, which is a different process than just timesing each element together, shown here. And then you can do actually element by element multiplication too, using a period and then the time symbol. And doing that gives you the element by element multiplication. 3 times 1 equal to 3. 4 times 2 equal to 8. And yeah, same thing with division. I hope. Yes, sir. A dot divided by B will give you the element-wise. Infinity right here because we have a 0. 7 divided by 0 does not work. Anyways, so now we're on to the very last section. This, like I said, this is just a quick short video, putting it out there just so we have the knowledge, the base knowledge for more complicated videos down the line. Now, other matrices that can be made in Matlab are very helpful and can be used all throughout coding. So there's zeros, which would make a 0 matrix. And here I specified 3x3. Boom. What's another one? Ones, and same thing, 3x3. Or we could do 3x1. See that? And another one that could be very helpful is random. And let's do like a 2x8, just to show you that you can do really whatever you want. And this just gives us a random thing, and if we keep running this, it will change each time. So yeah, that's just some simple quick matrix math if you didn't know how or needed a little refresher. Like I said, I'll be doing more complicated videos after this. That's why I'm doing this small little one. But yeah, I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.